It's also very nice, but will it be one driver?
Two, yeah, still.
But
I
if
have.
it's the base most of it.
Yeah, maybe one is enough, and two with the other one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's blocked.
Yeah.
Today on the 25th of February 2025 we had Ydrevägen certificate here in Tranås, certificate in Sweden. This building dates back to 1964 until it started in the 90s by DEVE-Schindler.
Yeah.
And we also see the outside this DEVE-Schindler.
Yeah.
As number is 010182.
Teet vaikka väiskytään, että meitä teet vain nurskis.
Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's